scattered around the building in different areas. And it's just something I want to mention. The buffalo logo was chosen as a symbol of his fight for life by my brother-in-law some years ago. And the logo is chosen to honor all the people that battle adversity with courage, and especially all the people that support them in their fight. So none of us can avoid that throughout our lives, and it's just an honor to Steve and an honor to all the people that supported him in his fight. So thanks for spending the time here with us, and we're just really happy to have all of you.